Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a tutorial on how to make flat invisible twists. So if this interests you, stick by to watch. In this tutorial, you have to divide your hair into different sections that you work with. When you are done dividing the hair into two, you can then cut the portion of hair that you want into a triangle form. Yes, just that this time around your line is not going to be a straight line. It will be going towards the left hand side or the right hand side direction that you are going to work with. By the time you cut a little portion of your hair, you apply your hair jam and twist it either with your tail comb or with your hand. You twist it very well for it to be firm and cross it over to your left side just the way you are seeing it in this video. The only time you cross it to your left side or your right hand, in this particular video now, we are working with our right hand side and we are cutting the line to face the left hand side just the way it is. Then by the time you are done twisting, you take it over to your left hand side and use the hair clip to hold it together. Reason why you are doing this is because you don't want the hair that you have twist very well to lose. By the time you are done twisting, you hold it for it to be firm, for it not to lose. Then you move over to the left hand side and do the same process. While doing this, you don't forget to twist it this time around to face the opposite side, which is the right hand side, and use a hair clip to hold this firmly to avoid it losing. You continue this process. The reason why you are doing this to be very strong, to make the hair to last and to make the invisible twist to be neat and clean. You won't want to make a hair and it's looking untidy. You continue this process until when you are done doing this. Don't forget, you maintain the same line. Allow this to be opposite each other so that you have that perfect lining. So when you are done with this, you move over to the ones you started with already and twist it again. Reason why you are twisting this again, because I think some of this must have loosened a bit. You twist it very well and turn it over just the way you twist your normal braid, that is your twisting. Repeat the same process. Before you pick any other one, you twist it around for it to be strong and firm and add it up to the ones that you've picked before and twist around. That is how you do your flat invisible twist. This particular braid lasts for long if you do it very well. It lasts for long and it is, in fact, when you are done doing it, you enjoy it because it does not get spoiled easily. No, this is a dummy tutorial. By the time you are done with it and make it on a woman's head, this tutorial will take you a long way. By the time you are done, you can see that you have already learned something new. You can try it on anything you want to try it on. I think if you are watching closely, you will learn what is being done here. So this is how it comes out when you are done. It will give you this perfect result. How the result will turn out to be very neat, clean, and very gorgeous. So guys, will you be trying this hairstyle? Let me know in the comment section. Do you think you were able to learn? If you did not, tell me. Is a slower tutorial will be done on this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.